The cardiovascular system is fundamental to how the body functions, regulating heart health, brain health, and physical performance. Every minute, the heart pumps approximately 5 liters of blood around a vast network of arteries, capillaries, and veins, supplying our cells with oxygen. Maintaining this complex system is key to our overall health and well-being.
It is very important to maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. The whole body really depends on normal and healthy blood flow.
Like any tissue, the cardiovascular system goes through an aging process. One of the hallmarks of this process is that blood vessels become less elastic. Elasticity is critical to the healthy function of blood vessels and therefore healthy blood flow.
Decreased elasticity and increased stiffness in our arterial system compromises blood flow, and this can impact the entire body.
Choices we make about smoking or not smoking, where we live, all of these things and more, many more, affect the aging of our cardiovascular system.
The most important is probably regular exercise. Another very important aspect is nutrition.
Diet has a big impact. The dietary choices we make in terms of the types of foods, the types of fats we consume, the types of nutrition that we take in can actually influence our blood pressure, and it can influence the aging of our endothelial cell lining in these blood vessels.
A significant body of research points to the potential of new dietary approaches to cardiovascular health. Research shows that consumption of Flavanols, a naturally occurring plant-derived nutrient, can support the function of our blood vessels, helping to maintain a healthy heart and enhance cardiovascular performance.
Flavanols are found in a variety of different foods, including tea, grapes, wine, blueberries, and many more. But of all of these, cocoa and certain types of cocoa is the richest source of flavanols that we know that are most biologically active. We do know that there are certain types of flavanols in cocoa that actually can influence the function of our circulatory system.
Vascular function, and specifically endothelial function, is positively affected by flavanols. And we also have evidence suggesting that repair mechanisms might be positively affected. And we as cardiovascular physicians are very much interested in how flavanols contribute to cardiovascular health.
In 2013, the FLAVIOLA project, a pan-European collaboration dedicated to state-of-the-art research into flavanols, was completed. This work, funded by the European Commission, brought together researchers from academia, industry, and government to explore the health benefits of flavanols. FLAVIOLA builds on Mars's 20-year history of research into cocoa flavanols, working with leading scientists from across sectors to drive a range of multidisciplinary research programs.
They started this research a long time ago, actually, and it's just amazing because once they got involved in it, they wanted to do it right. I think what's most important about it is that it's inclusive. It's not just concentrating in one area, and it's not just concentrating on one part of the process. They're doing the very, very strongest science.
Recent research has narrowed the focus to one particular cocoa flavanol molecule, minus epicatechin.
When we consume minus epicatechin from a food source like cocoa, most of it is actually transformed into what we call metabolites. The metabolites of minus epicatechin can maintain healthy blood pressure. We've observed that they can maintain healthy blood flow and a range of other activities, but it's these metabolites of minus epicatechin that are really the actors on the stage, which is our body.
One of the mechanisms that's gained the most traction is that what flavanols do is they increase nitric oxide, which is a vasodilator, and that helps maintain a healthy blood flow, healthy endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels.
Nitric oxide is produced by endothelial cells, which are these cells that are the inner layer of the blood vessel. And nitric oxide, when it is produced by these cells, it's like a signaling director, a traffic cop, if you will. It tells the blood vessel wall whether to expand or contract, to be elastic.
But conventional food processing used to create cocoa and chocolate products often destroys the flavanols present in fresh cocoa. In order to protect the natural flavanols in cocoa and retain their cardiovascular benefits, a patented processing technique was developed that carefully handles cocoa from the bean to the finished product to retain the highest possible levels of cocoa flavanols. This Cocoa Pro process harnesses the benefits of cocoa flavanols, enabling the development of new and novel products that help maintain cardiovascular health.
I am very proud of Mars's involvement in the Flavanol research field. The success of the Flavanols program has been dependent upon expertise from a wide variety of collaborators. What this research is teaching us is that certain types of flavanols found in cocoa can in fact have a significant influence on the health of the cardiovascular system. And as we discovered layer by layer the potential benefits of flavanols, we realized we had an opportunity explicitly to improve health. This program ties together the areas of agricultural research, areas of biomedical research, epidemiology, chemistry, and more. The critical concept is that all of these areas need to work together and across sectors, universities, companies, government research institutes. In order to do something important, we all have to work together, and the Flavanols program has demonstrated that.